If you've ever had a painful mouth ulcer, you know how unpleasant they can be. But don't reach for the drugstore treatments just yet. There are natural ways to find relief fast. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing my top 5 home remedies to help soothe and heal painful mouth ulcers. These are all natural ingredients you can easily find at home that will reduce inflammation and irritation so those nasty ulcers go away faster. Remedy 1. Salt water rinse. Mix together some warm water and salt until it dissolves. Swish this around your mouth and over the ulcer area for about 30 seconds before spitting out. The salt helps draw out fluid and soothe pain. Remedy 1. Salt water rinse. Dissolve a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water. Swish the salt water around your mouth for 30 seconds, making sure you get over the ulcerated area. Spit out when done. The salt helps draw out fluid from the ulcer site and reduces swelling and pain. Do this 3 times a day for best results. Remedy 2. Honey. Honey contains enzymes that fight bacteria along with antioxidants that promote healing. Apply a small dollop of raw, unfiltered honey directly onto the mouth ulcer. Let it coat the area and do its work for at least 30 minutes before rinsing. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties will soothe pain and fight infection. Remedy 3. Aloe vera gel. Cut open an aloe vera leaf and scoop out the clear gel inside. Apply a generous layer over the ulcer. Aloe vera gel contains compounds that reduce inflammation and help repair damaged tissues. Let it sit for at least 15 minutes before rinsing. Applying 3 to 4 times a day can really speed up healing. Remedy 4. Diluted tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a powerful natural antiseptic. Mix 2 to 3 drops into 1 tablespoon of water. Dip a cotton swab into the solution and gently apply it onto the ulcer. This will cleanse bacteria from the site to prevent infection. Be careful not to swallow tea tree oil. Remedy 5. Milk of magnesia. The magnesium hydroxide in milk of magnesia can help neutralize mouth acid and relieve ulcer pain. Applying a small amount directly onto the ulcer with a cotton swab can provide quick relief. Make sure to rinse your mouth afterwards. There you have 5 of my go-to natural remedies to help get rid of painful mouth ulcers fast. Give them a try and let me know in the comments if you found relief. Thanks for watching.